Yes, within the next 24 hours, we will have some severe weather, and we can see that on the Skycast. The severe weather threat begins tomorrow morning, and as you can see, we see little supercells all around the radar, and this is as of 10:30 a.m., and then that'll be coming through our area tomorrow afternoon, and then should be out of our way as of tomorrow evening. And according to our severe tracker, we are under an enhanced risk. So everyone in this orange area right over here will be under an enhanced risk. And what that means is that we have a significant threat for tornadoes. Large hail is possible, greater than 2 inches in diameter. So that's pretty big hail. High winds greater than 60 miles per hour, and flooding will be localized around streams, rivers, and lower levels of elevation. So if you are in this orange area, I would be looking out for this. And so I put together a preparation checklist. So find a safe spot. So if there is a tornado warning, find a safe spot. This could be in the basement. It could be in the most indoor room in your house. And if you are under a tornado warning, I recommend wearing a helmet just to make sure that you are safe. Secure any outdoor furniture because 60-mile-per-hour winds can throw that furniture around. Buy a weather radio or charge your electronics because you will want to know the most recent information, whether you're in a watch, you're in a warning, whether that warning has expired. You're going to want to know what is going on with that. Share this information to loved ones, to friends, to family, to anyone, just so that everyone knows exactly what is going on with this, and stay weather aware. And some key messages with this, the timing will be tomorrow morning into the evening, and this is a potential for strong tornadoes, damaging winds, and large hail. So please stay safe tomorrow, everyone. Taking it back to Rachel.
So we heard earlier that we might have some severe weather coming up, but what would be coming up in the next day or so?
Honestly, I've been looking at the models and I've seen upwards of 2 feet of snow. Sorry guys, sorry. I just had to get my April Fool's joke out of the way. We got some warm temperatures actually coming our way soon.
We'll learn more about that after the break then.
Welcome back everybody. Dominic here with our current weather, and right now we are seeing the supercell storm that is sweeping over our country and making its way into Michigan area, coming across right now over Lake Michigan. And we actually have some supercells coming across, and they are developing strong with a warm sector that's going to be coming up and bringing us warmer temperatures throughout the day tomorrow. For looking at our 24-hour rainfall, yesterday there was a big stationary front that set across mid-Michigan all day yesterday and just dropped tons and tons of rain. The numbers may not look it, but the ground is already saturated, the snowpack and whatnot that was already in the ground. So any excess water we got just ended up flooding rivers, creeks, and whatnot, and making travel a little bit messy. Taking a look at our local temperatures around here, a little bit south of us, Ashley at 49, 46 in Middleton, 46 North Star, and 42 Breckenridge as we move northward. Around us, we got 39 in Midland, 41 Mount Pleasant, 41 in Weiss, and a little more north, 42 Hayes, 42 Lake George, 42 Farewell, and 42 Clare. And taking a look at our national temperatures, currently we see all the warm air from the continental tropical air mass that moves out of the Gulf and brings this warm, moist air all the way to us in Michigan. And we can actually see the low pressure front that's bringing us all these storms currently centered over Nebraska. And that storm is actually going to make its way northeast, and then that cold front is going to continue to bring snow, and that will be mostly seen up in the UP for Michigan. So nothing to worry about here in mid-Michigan, but we can expect some high totals with this strong storm coming our way. And now taking a look at US 10, right now pretty clear travel. If you're going to storm chase, looks like right now you can get a great spot. But also looking at it, it's very gray. I could actually see all 50 shades of gray on here, and with no traffic, nothing to complain about. And tonight's forecast, we have 42 with the chance for an 80% chance of some isolated thunderstorms. Southwest winds, 15 to 20 miles per hour. We could look at those to increase. And waking up tomorrow, if you're sending your kid to school, we can expect a off-to-school temperature of about 55 degrees and some rain in the morning. The severe weather won't be there yet, but stay tuned, because as you get closer to when your kid's coming home, be about 69, and that warm temperature will be bolstering all kinds of warmth, moist air that is just going to precipitate to us all day long, and possible for some severe that Megan will be getting to us later. Lastly, I'd like to pass it to Kate. Thank you.
Yes. So we're going to take another look at the Euro Skycast, and as we know, we do have a system coming through our area tomorrow, possibly causing tornadoes, high winds, and some large hail. So that'll be coming through our area tomorrow, and I did want to pause it right here because up in the UP, they're actually under an ice storm warning. So if you're up in the UP, make sure that you're prepared for that. But then after that system kind of comes through our area, things will be clearing up quite a bit for the next few days. So into Monday, things should be quite clear, and that will cause temperatures to rise right back up. So this system will be moving through our area, and we're going to be seeing temperatures of around 70 degrees tomorrow. And then the cold front will roll through, bringing temperatures right back down to around 35 degrees. And then things will be clearing back up. So tomorrow or Thursday, temperatures are going to rise back up to 47 degrees. And then after that, things should rise back up. So tomorrow we're going to be seeing a bunch of rainfall. So if you are around any rivers, creeks, streams, I would be wary about that. And then for our extended forecast, so tomorrow we're going to be seeing those severe storms and a high of 70 and a low of 30 overnight. And then things will be clearing up throughout the next week or so. So sunny skies on Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and then partly sunny on Monday and Tuesday of next week. Temperatures will be rising right back up to the mid-60s into early next week. So beautiful weather. It'll be beautiful weather.
Excited for the warm weather.